In a lush, verdant meadow, nestled between the rolling hills, lived a small, graceful pony named Pepper. Pepper was not like the other horses, for she was smaller, her coat a unique, shimmering silver, and her spirit unparalleled. One day, Pepper, with a twinkle in her eyes, gazed at a tranquil pond, its surface mirroring the azure sky. She yearned to quench her thirst, but the pond, though inviting, was home to a fearsome crocodile. Pepper pondered her predicament. She knew the danger that lurked beneath the water, but she also knew the importance of quenching her thirst. A decision had to be made, and it was not an easy one. She remembered the wise words of her mentor, a stallion named Orion. Courage is not the absence of fear, but the decision to act despite it. Pondering his wisdom, Pepper steeled herself, taking a deep breath, and approached the pond. With a determined stride, Pepper reached the water's edge. She waited, her heart pounding, for the crocodile to reveal itself. But to her surprise, it did not attack. Instead, the crocodile, with a nod, allowed her to drink. Pepper, grateful, asked the crocodile why he had not harmed her. "I saw the courage in your eyes, Pepper," the crocodile explained. "I respected that, and I let you pass." Pepper returned to her meadow, her heart filled with a newfound sense of bravery. She realized then that fear was not something to be avoided, but rather, a sign that one was about to do something truly courageous. From that day forward, Pepper lived her life with a newfound zest, always ready to face challenges head-on, knowing that fear did not define her, but rather it was the fuel that propelled her towards greatness. And so, the tale of Pepper the pony serves as a reminder that within each of us lies a reservoir of courage, waiting to be tapped. All we need is the conviction to act, and the wisdom to recognize that fear is but a stepping stone on the path to greatness.